Okay, this is a piece of tin I've pre-cut a hole in just to simulate that a branch has gone through or a rust hole. So what we need to do is make sure the surface is clean. Then we put polyprene over the top around the hole. Just making sure that you put enough on to cover your piece of polycore that you're going to put in there in a second. Smear it around with our finger, make sure we get it around all areas so it covers basically right up to the edge of the hole. Then we get our piece of polycore, stick into place, smear in with the fingers, make sure it's sort of pressed in over the top of the hole, work it around with your fingers again. And then more polyprene over the top, just using the caulking gun. Probably takes about a minute and a half to do this. It'll definitely do the job on a hole that's leaking in the roof. Just smoothing out the edges on the top of this. Make sure it's all the polycore's covered underneath. So we're done there. Now, just to show you that it's waterproof, I'll tip some water over the top of, and you can see that it's just beading off it. Water not getting through it at all, nothing getting through from underneath. Done the job.